This is free, use it wisely. This is the tutorial, link will be in the description. As always, no worries. Let's create amazing videos. So first of all, download Faceplay. Once you open it, you have a lot of things you can do and you get some free coins every day. You can create a video and all you have to do is check out the amazing things you can. So you can have AI video, like for example, a mermaid. Or so things you can do, or you can, for example, watch a video like this. I'm going to choose one and show you the process. Choose your photo. You need to upload it, of course. When you have uploaded several times, it stays here. You can choose the picture you want and just wait for a few seconds. This is very easy. So this is telling you that you're going to spend 1 coin. That's all right. And now we just wait for the result. And that's it. All you have to do after that is download it. So this is brilliant and this is very, very nice. Easy and brilliant, I told you, right? If I looked at these photos, I would say it were me, so. Again, if you like these videos, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, I have amazing playlists for everything you need and everything is free. So check them out. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.